ba, nara. How do you create conditional form in Japanese language? In this lesson, we will learn how to use ba and nara to create the conditional form sentence in Japanese language. So when you want to create a sentence, start by if. You can use ba or nara form to create the conditional sentence. So in here we also have some example. Let's see together. In here we have the sentence like ボタンを押せば窓が開きます。ボタンを押せば窓が開きます。Which means that if you press the button, the window will open. So in here we start by if you press the button. And in Japanese you just say ボタンを押せば. What you should remember or what you should know in this sentence, you should know how to change the verb to be ba form. In here we say oseba. The verb oseba is from the dictionary form osu. Osu is mean press. But you want to change to be the ba form, you can change like oseba. So it's the rule that you have to remember. Oseba, osu, oseba. Hanasu, hanashimasu, hanaseba, something like this. Hanasu, which means speaking. Hanasu is mean the dictionary form. Hanashimasu is mean in the mass form. And you want to change to be the ba form, just say hanaseba. If you speak, something like this. And let's see the next. In here we have the sentence like 彼が行けば私も行きます。彼が行けば私も行きます。Which means if he goes, I will go too. If he goes, I will go too. In here, if we just say 彼が行きます, which means he goes. But we just want to say if, you just change the 行きます to 行けば。彼が行けば which means if he goes. 私も行きます。I will go too. Something like this. And in here, what you have to learn is to change the verb 行きます。行く。行けば which means it starts by 行きます which means must form. And the additional form is 行く which means go. But you want to change to be the ba form, you can change 行けば. Right, and also another example, for example, 聞く is mean listening, listen, 聞く 聞きます and you change to be the ba form, you can change like 聞けば like this. So it's the rule that you have to remember when you want to change to be the ba form. Another sentence. 明日都合が良ければ来てください。明日都合が良ければ来てください。If it is convenient for you, please come tomorrow. If it is convenient for you, please come tomorrow. In here we say 明日 is mean tomorrow. 都合が良ければ is mean 都合 is mean or convenient. 都合が良ければよ is from the adjective yoi. Yoi is mean good. Yoi. So these are the adjective that end by e, right? Yoi. So everything that end by e, when you want to change to be the ba form, you just cut out the e So in here you can have, and you put kereba. In here you have yoi. When change to ba function, yo kereba. And another sentence like na, right? Nine. Nine when you want to change to be kereba form, you say na kereba. You cut out the e. For example, tanoshi. Tanoshi is also end by e, right? So you can cut out the e and just can say tanoshi kereba if enjoyable, something like this. So this is the rule that you want to change the e, everything that end by e to be the bar form. You can cut out the e and put kereba. That's just okay. Another sentence. いい天気なら向こうに島が見えます。いい天気なら向こうに島が見えます。When the weather is white, you can see an island over there. When the weather is white, you can see an island over there. So in this sentence, we will see that before Nara will be tenki. Tenki is mean weather. I tenki, I is mean good. I tenki is mean good weather, or the weather is white. Nara is mean if, right? If, or you can say like when. If the weather is white, or when the weather is white, just have the same meaning. So in here you can say Nara. So tenki is the noun. Is noun. Is a noun. Tenki is a noun. So when something that be noun, you can just put Nara after the noun. So tenki. I tenki Nara. And it's the rule that you have to remember when you use the noun with the Nara. You can put it together to create the sentence start by if or when, which means you want to create a sentence in a conditional form. いい天気なら向こうに島が見えます。Let's see another example. In here we have the conversation between Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A will say like, ボールペンがないですが、ボールペンがなければ鉛筆で書いてください。ボールペンがなければ鉛筆で書いてください。Which means, I don't have a ball pen. Mr. B will answer, if you don't have a ball pen, please write in pencil. In here you see that for the first sentence, Mr. A will say that Mr. A doesn't have a ball pen. And for Mr. B want to create a sentence by if. So, ボールペンがなければ in here is from the ボールペンがない。It just said ボールペンがない is mean you don't have a ball pen like this. ボールペンがない you don't have a ball pen. But you change to be なければ you start by if you don't have a ball pen. So in here, at the moment that I say anything that ends by e, you just cut out the e and put kereba after that. So in here you can say na kereba, cut out the e, and it's the rule that you just learned the last moment. ボールペンがなければ鉛筆で書いてください。 which means if you don't have a ball pen, please write in pencil. Let's see another. In here we also have the conversation line. Mr. A 明日までにレポートを出さなければなりませんか ?B 無理なら金曜日までに出してください。明日までにレポートを出さなければなりませんか無理なら金曜日までに出してください。Mr. A say, do I have to hand in the report by tomorrow? Mr. B answered, if that's too difficult, please hand it in by Friday. Here you see that Muli nara. Muli is also be the noun, so after the noun you can put nara. Muli des it just means difficult. If you want to say if difficult, you can say muli nara, which means if you put nara, it will start by the if or when. So here muli nara, if that's too difficult. 金曜日までに出してください。Please hand it in by Friday. So this is about how to use nara and ba to create the sentence start by if or when. So I hope that you understand how to create the sentence in the conditional form in Japanese language. Everything you create, you should remember how to create by using ba or nara. So I hope that you understand. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will be happy to answer your question. Let's see you in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。